This is a 1989 Four Winds dual axle boat trailer. This did have original suspension in it, and this year I was checking things over because the previous owner never did, and found that the shackles were severely wallowed out in case where you can see it was starting to, that could break at any point in time. You can see it just wasn't one, there were many. The bolts, if you look at it, it'll focus, you can see that it is tapered down big time right there from wear out, and on this side as well. You can see the wear, both sides, severely bad. This bolt you can see was wore down completely on the one side, a lot of wear on it. And if there was a plastic bushing on it, it was gone and wore through, just like that. And this one had a lot of wear on there. These bolts are good, they are hardened, but they're only case hardened. So once you get through the surface, they wear out very quickly. Not to mention these straps, these shackle straps are just plate steel, they're not hardened at all. So these will wear out over time and eventually break. So on this trailer, I just simply supported the trailer. The nuts come off from the inside, knock the nuts off, push the bolts out, put new wet bolt kit in because this gets submerged fairly regularly, being put in the water. The grease will help everything stay good for a long term. Here's a cheap kit. You can find them on Amazon, fairly cheap for the different size shackles you need. So this is just a friendly, make sure you check over your stuff to make sure you don't have something fail catastrophically while you're driving down the road, because that would not be a fun day after being on the water or going to the water. That will really slow you down. So check over your axles and trailer suspension just to make sure everything is in good working order.